In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Meet on your desktop. Whether you're planning a video call with colleagues, connecting virtually with friends, or attending an online class, having easy access to Google Meet right on your desktop can save you time and allow you to dive into meetings with just a click. Let's walk through the process together to get you all set up. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you use regularly, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Google Meet. Press Enter, and you'll be redirected to their main website. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice that Google Meet is a straightforward platform with a clean interface, making it efficient for all your video conferencing needs. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look around. Keep your eyes focused on the top right section of the page. While you're there, you should spot a download icon. This is what you'll need to click to start the installation process. Go ahead and give it a click. This is where we begin transforming Google Meet from just a website into a handy application right on your desktop. As the installation process unfolds, sit back for a moment and let the download complete. Depending on your internet speed, this might take just a few seconds or a minute. While you're waiting, it's good to know that having Google Meet directly installed on your desktop makes it much more accessible, particularly if you find yourself jumping into meetings throughout the day. Now that the download is complete, congratulations, you've installed Google Meet. No longer will you have to open your browser and type in the address each time. Instead, it's waiting for you on your desktop for easy, convenient access. Moreover, this shortcut makes attending meetings faster and gives you all the powerful features of Google Meet without needing to navigate through a browser. Okay, so what if you close Google Meet? Well, you'll notice the icon remains available on your desktop. Feel free to double-click this icon anytime you wish to engage in or start a new meeting. Whether for professional or personal use, this setup ensures your online communications are not just efficient but also seamless. And there you have it. You are all set with Google Meet installed directly on your desktop. It's as simple as that. This streamlined approach ensures that you can join your conversations and video calls with ease and stay connected without any fuss. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to make the most out of your virtual meetings.